Have you ever looked down at your nails and thought, why can't they just be healthier? Whether it's dry cuticles, peeling skin, or brittle nails, we've all been there. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to tackle these issues head-on and help you get those nails back to their prime. We're reviewing the Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil, a hydrating oil designed to repair damaged cuticles and strengthen thin nails. This product claims to deliver salon-quality results right at home and without the harsh chemicals. Let's dive into whether this oil really lives up to the hype. First off, the formula. Cuccio Naturale's Revitalizing Cuticle Oil is a paraben-free and cruelty-free blend of plant-based ingredients. The oil is designed to hydrate, heal, and protect your skin and nails without the use of artificial additives. If you're someone who's conscious about what you put on your skin, this could be a major selling point. The oil's key feature? It's packed with vitamin-infused conditioners that penetrate deeply, preventing peeling and soothing dry, cracked skin. Real-life testing time. Incorporating this into my routine was surprisingly easy. The texture is lightweight, not greasy at all, and melts right into your skin without leaving a heavy residue. I applied it before bed as suggested, and by morning, my cuticles felt softer and smoother. The scent, a delicate blend of vanilla bean and sugar, is sweet but not overpowering. Definitely a nice touch for an at-home pampering session. I tested this on my cuticles, but also on some of my husband's nails. He's constantly working with his hands, so his nails tend to get damaged faster. After just a few uses, we both noticed a visible improvement in the strength of his nails. They appeared less brittle, and his cuticles were significantly softer. Now, let's talk about the cons. It's a small bottle at 0.5 ounces, and if you're using it daily, you might run out quicker than expected. Also, while it's not overly greasy, I did notice a slight buildup if I applied too much, so you'll want to use it sparingly. Let's look at value for money. The price is reasonable for a cuticle oil, especially considering it's free from parabens and artificial ingredients. If you typically get manicures and pedicures, this could save you a decent amount of money over time. Plus, a little goes a long way, so the product is likely to last for quite a while. When it comes to comparisons, other cuticle oils on the market might not offer the same level of hydration or natural ingredients, but there are plenty of options in a similar price range. Some may include silicones or artificial fragrances that could be off-putting if you prefer a more natural approach. The Cuccio Naturale formula stands out because it targets damaged cuticles with a clean, effective blend of ingredients, making it ideal for those looking for a more spa-like experience at home. Now, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are several cuticle oils available, but none that seem to hit the balance between price and quality quite like this one. You can certainly find budget-friendly options that will hydrate and soften, but they might include less ideal ingredients like artificial fragrances or silicones. Overall, Cuccio Naturale's Revitalizing Cuticle Oil really delivers on its promise of intensive hydration and stronger nails. It's an excellent choice for anyone struggling with damaged or weak nails. If you have dry hands or cracked cuticles from frequent washing or outdoor work, this could be the product to give your skin the nourishment it craves. Plus, it smells fantastic and feels luxurious, definitely a treat for your nails. Mid-review reminder, if you're enjoying this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. This helps other beauty lovers like you find honest reviews on products that actually work. To wrap up, Cuccio Naturale's Revitalizing Cuticle Oil is a great option for those looking for a clean, effective solution to cuticle care. Whether you have naturally dry nails or you're just looking for some extra moisture and strength, this product checks all the boxes. It's a solid investment in the health of your nails, and trust me, they'll thank you. Thank you for tuning in today. If you've used this oil, drop a comment below with your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.